Listen, brother, I saw you have two AirPods in your ear, and I have to tell you, that is very detrimental to your pineal gland, the most important of your. Now, listen, I would actually just get wired ones, but let me tell you why.
Magnetic. Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah.
No, because one of those AirPods connects to your phone, and the AirPods connect to each other, so that's not good. Wired headphones, the energy doesn't go through the middle of your brain; it's going through the wire, or not through the wire. It actually, let me explain something about copper wires and electricity. The electricity doesn't go through the wire. What happens is the copper wire itself is made up of a bunch of copper atoms. Well, these atoms are high-fiving each other. So the electricity is just like kinetic energy when they high-five each other in like a sequence, like a domino effect. That's what it is. But go ahead.
Bruh.
To everybody using AirPods, y'all need to go ahead and take notes.
Yeah, I got one in right now.
Said it's like they high-fiving.
Yeah, I get it. That's wicked. Facts.
Show my screen, bro, Sanchez.
I got you. Hold on. Let me pin your joint. Go ahead.
This is really important. Okay. The Egyptians, do you guys know this move right here?
Yeah, I see
that.
Yeah,
that dance.
This is the atom. Yeah. And when the electricity goes through, the heads are like, the head touches one wall and hits the other wall. So the electricity is traveling like that.
Bouncing off each other.
Yeah. The way y'all hit people with logic and just simple shit to tell the truth is crazy. Y'all do it.
Common sense.
That's crazy, man. And look, let me say this too. When y'all using y'all phones, yo, that speaker phone is your best friend. I hate to put that shit on my ear.
I went live with Bro Sanchez before I went live with Zach in this bottom video here. So both of these videos were filmed in his office space at his hotel in Hawaii. In fact, he was in the living room while I went live the first time. You can see my hair was more vibrant red at the top and it became less vibrant at the bottom. So this was afterwards where he tried to copy me. He's literally trying to share the same information about the Egyptian dance and the electrons that I gave. Who cares? Zach copied you, but you copied Santos. Correction. Santos didn't even teach me this syncretic gem.
Okay, do you remember in Egypt when they put their hands like this and they do this? This is how, or they do this with the Z. It's an electric, and they're explaining to you how
electricity does not travel. It's like a sequence of motion.
That's what that is.
Reaction.
I literally sat there and I was scratching my chin, scratching my head. How does electricity travel through the wire if it's not actually traveling? Nothing really travels. It's a sequence of motion happening. So I said, how do I explain this happening? And then I said, whoa. I said, oh my God, it's the Egyptian dance. So I figured it out because I was thinking about magnetism in my brain and electricity and copper wires. I was proud at the moment when Zach shared it with the world because I was like, yeah, you know, people are going to understand it. They're going to be happy to understand this realization. But now looking back, I'm like, dude, he's acting as if he came up with that and didn't even credit me. Like, yo, Divine taught us that on his live the other day. This is why I call myself a spiritual leader, because a leader is someone who puts others before themselves. Zach, he physically, emotionally, and spiritually and soulfully cannot do that because he wants to be the one at the top shining. Maybe he was bullied a lot when he was younger, which he told me he was. He said he was bullied by his family and his father was mean to him. He told me that. He was playing baseball with his father and his father hit him with the ball. So Zach didn't want to play anymore. And his dad was like, get your butt back here right now. And Zach kept walking, even though he kept saying, Zach, Zach. So his dad went to drive to pick Zach up, put Zach in the car and threw water on him and threw the water at him. And still made him go play. Anyways, he's probably just mad at the world now because of that. I don't see myself in front of other people. I see myself on the side of other people, side by side. Don't get behind me, get beside me. And that's the mentality of a leader. Do not get behind me. In fact, get beside me and we will walk together. And we'll all take the lead. We'll all take the first step. But Zach wants to take the first step. I'm not really bragging. I'm just telling you the truth. I came up. Who else told you that this was electricity flowing through a wire? Because electricity doesn't travel. Every atom already has electrons. The electron from that atom and the electron from that atom combine as one. And that's what you call the electric transfer. Because they're high-fiving each other.